Hey, we're going to talk about how to log into NewsELA. So of course, NewsELA Link is under Life Skills Study Hall. Then it's under Links for Home, NewsELA. Okay? You're going to come up here. You're going to hit the arrow to make it into another tab. Then you are going to say, I have a NewsELA account. You're going to sign in with Microsoft. Now, I'm going to use Logan's account because he's right here. After you do this the first time and sign in with your Microsoft account, remember when you do that, you do your username and then at swcsd.org. Okay, and then your regular password. Okay, and then you do join. So once you get in here, there's more reading you can do, but there's also assignments. So up here on assignments, I just put this one. The tongue nerves react to fat. And we could click it. And it's going to bring us down here. And you're going to click the link for the article. Okay? So the first thing you're going to be able to do is read it aloud. So you can click read aloud.
Can we taste fat? The brain thinks so. By Bethany Brookshire, Science News for Kids, adapted by NewsELA staff. Published September 9, 2020. The tongue has receptors. They help taste food. A receptor is a molecule in a cell. A molecule is a group of atoms. It is the smallest part of a substance.
So if you're done listening to it, you would hit exit. Then go up here to view assignments. And then go down to the bottom. And hit take quiz. And over here, it's going to give you your quiz. Okay. See how it says next and everything like that. Okay. So that's it. Remember, your assignments are in assignments. You can browse. You can look up different subjects. You can even search. And you can do suggestions, filters, that type of thing.